the front shot, high and
Lob shot mostly is a
Cycle shot.
defending shot, but can be also attacking, used as a attacking shot. Normally played in the front of the court. Normally played in the front of the court. There are two types of lob. One is a straight lob, one is a cross court lob. For the course of this, we are only learning
straight drops.
cross court. Yeah, cross court. Yeah, and firstly, to start off it, I need to show you how it will be played. So I want few of the players in the center. All few stand this side. All few stand this side. Yeah. So the shot which is placed in front of the ball. Left arm in front of the position. Body position and swing. The swing is exactly like your forehand. Right. That means you start when the ball comes at start. And then the most important thing you have to see once going down is give a good height to the ball. Not hit it hard, not hit it hard. You have to give up that good height. That means if I'm standing and stepping forward, the ball is here, I have to give a good height, then the ball is that. So you have from down, good height. Always a good height. It goes and touches the side wall after the service box lies in the corner. That is a good law. Necessary. Agar if it's a good law, it's not necessary. I can play a law. See, now it's a debate. Now it's a debate. Do you think your kids will ask questions like this? No, because they don't know. So you have to, from the day one, teach them what is good. What is good? Then there were a lot of debate. Sir, ऐसे तो मैं तो ऐसे मारा था, वो तो देखा था correct था, आप कैसे कैसे बोल सकते हो? So you have to teach them the correct ways. When you are playing a match, it can be of anything. A correct lob is with the swing, moving ahead under the ball. That means your racket has to be under the ball and giving a good height in the wall. Giving a good height in the wall and it goes. Yeah, it's a good height and goes. And you have to make sure the ball touches the right side and goes. Why a good height? Because they do not wish or want the opponent to intercept that ball in a ball. Correct? The swing is the steps, ready position, this. And now instead of hitting straight, I am going under the ball. That means in the drive I am going straight and this I am going under the ball. But to make sure this is long. That means few of the players will make a mistake. Will do this. So wrist is completely long. And you understand what it is a scoop? A scoop of ice cream. A scoop of ice cream is like this. कहीं मोटा सा हैंडल स्कूप किया करता है पूरा ऐसे करके लेते हैं so अब समझ आइसक्रीम का स्कूप होगा ऊपर वाला आइसक्रीम खाया होगा स्कूप so this is long goes here and up the follow through goes along with the ball. Can I have a ball? The follow through suppose if I make a shot the follow through goes with the ball. That means ये अगर बॉल आया तो follow through goes with the ball. That means if the ball goes yeah, follow through goes like this with it. Yeah. So getting into the position, we start off with the Repeating exactly the same way. You stand out here in this position. Hasrat, are you ready? Yeah? Be in the position. When I say ready, put your step forward. And you start. Ready? Now the timer.
सिर्फ बैक में कर रहे हो
The main thing what is doing is not transferring body weight. वो ऐसे करके ऐसे मारना। You guys are not finding the body weight transfer. आपने सिर्फ बोले सिर्फ मारना है। You have to see the body weight also. Ready? Ready position. Right angle. Again he did the same mistake. Okay, let's go. Let's go. The main thing is what you need to do is with the full flow. That means out here, पीछे लेके full flow of the racket. That means when you go, just go. Now this is here and then under it. Getting point? You're going under it, getting position, and the follow through goes with the ball. I am starting here. When I am in the hitting position, the body weight is transferred. Now this going down and it is going up. Any doubts?
मैंने तो बताया प्रश्न में मेरे को प्रश्न नहीं मेरा हमको सब कुछ सर एक क्वेश्चन है सर इसमें डॉक्टर को ये है कि इसमें बहुत को टारगेट करना है टारगेट एक्सप्रेशन
Okay guys. Okay. The question is
सर बॉल को मतलब कहाँ खेलें पॉइंट क्या रहेगा सेम रहेगा जो अपन ड्राइव जो खेला था क्वार्टर में जो था नीचे सामने खेला था उसको ड्राइव
yeah, everything is same, but this time it is under. That means, guys, hold it there. The ball is here. I am not.
Yeah, I know. I know. I have confidence. I have confidence. Yeah.
In that way, it's here. Point of impact is here, Mara, and then I go. Now what I did, I used my wrist. Why?
Because too close.
Too close. Here. The ball comes. Higher, up, Mara. So I have to hit under. नीचे आती है। आप सब differences समझ रहे हो? When you hit it, let me explain. ये जो drop आ रहा है, you have to hit it on the top of the box. Yeah? ये ball आया कि ना? Now I hit it. अंदर आया, ये now I hit it. And hit कहाँ पे? Direction. That means अगर मैं यहाँ आया, तो मेरा direction किधर है? ऊपर, मतलब कहाँ पे? It's somewhere here. So यहाँ से अगर मैं इसको height दूँगा, then only it will go and give me an angle. Yes? Is it clear, guys? Yes. No problem. In the same way, we start off with drop feet, then hand feeding, then racket feeding, and then racket continuous. Now, how can we do a racket continuous feed? So once you are done with the technical aspects, जब तक आप उसका टेक्निक सही नहीं करोगे, then you are standing here. As soon as the technique is correct, the coach moves in there. Either it's a cross drop, a little high cross drop to go, or once it's developed, then up. Is that clear? Yes.